Welcome back to Motor Minds, the channel where horsepower meets innovation. If you're passionate about trucks, speed, and off-road domination, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most capable mid-size pickups of 2025, the Chevy Colorado ZR2. Buckle up, because this beast is built to conquer anything in its path. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 is here, and it's more rugged, powerful, and high-tech than ever. Chevy has taken its off-road champion and refined it with aggressive styling, enhanced performance, and smarter tech, making it a serious competitor in the mid-size truck segment. Under the hood, the 2025 ZR2 packs a familiar yet potent 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. That power is channeled through a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless shifts whether you're crawling over rocks or blasting down the highway. And yes, this truck still comes with standard 4-wheel drive, locking front and rear differentials, and an advanced suspension system that laughs in the face of rough terrain. Speaking of suspension, the ZR2 continues to lead the pack with its Multimatic DSSV dampers. These position-sensitive spool valve shocks allow for an insane level of control, giving you a smooth ride on pavement and unstoppable performance off-road. With a lifted stance and wider track, the ZR2 is built for adventure. Design-wise, the 2025 model boasts an even tougher look. A redesigned front grille, beefier skid plates, and new LED lighting make it stand out on the trails. The aggressive fender flares house 33-inch all-terrain tires, ensuring maximum grip on any surface. Whether you're rock crawling or mudslinging, the ZR2 looks as tough as it performs. Inside, Chevy keeps things practical yet modern. The cabin features an upgraded 11.3-inch infotainment touchscreen with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The digital driver's display offers real-time off-road data, while the durable materials and premium accents ensure comfort, even after a long day on the trails. Towing? No problem. The 2025 Colorado ZR2 can tow up to 6,000 pounds, making it perfect for hauling your weekend toys. And with safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Chevy's HD surround vision camera system, you'll have confidence whether you're on the road or off the beaten path. With its blend of power, technology, and off-road dominance, the 2025 Chevy Colorado ZR2 is the ultimate mid-size truck for adventure seekers. What do you think? Does the ZR2 still reign supreme? Or is there another truck that takes the crown? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in to Motor Minds. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update on the hottest rides. Until